Bali, pumunta sila kay Mayor. And the Mayor told that, they will come. And then, Ma'am Laksamana called us and sabi niya, i-birthday nito. Then, ay sinasabi nila pero sa akin, hindi ko masabi kung ano yung comment ko sa send nila until that time na dapat ako mismo ang makikita kung ano yung yung pilot testing natin, yung first, yung initial, wala pa yung budget. So, yung K-value, yung coefficient na K-value, lumalabas na 1.65. And the RPM use is 1,395.
Yun yung pag-apak, sir.
Pag-apak, yun yung average nun. And yung first testing, bali, na-obserbahan ko na bumaba. Yung K-value, that is 1.25 already. And the RPM is 1,225 compared to the first, and kundi lang ang difference. And yung second test, bali bumaba ulit after how many minutes? I think 5 minutes after yung first, second, then lalong bumaba. That is already 1.17. And yung RPM, that is 1,320. So, and after 5 minutes, nag-test kami ulit, and napansin namin, bumaba ulit. That is 0.62. Yung K-value, naging 0.62, and yung RPM na nagamit is 1,358. And after 5 minutes, yung fourth test, bumaba ba. That is already 0.63 comparing to the third. Ang conclusion ko, okay naman yung gadget. Pero, ito yung pan. Kasi yung sasakyan, umiinit. And kapag umiinit yung isang machine, of course, gumaganda ang combustion, gumaganda ang pan. Kaya, ang hilingin ko sa itong inventor na i-test natin ang isang kwan. At kukunin namin yung everyday reading para masatisfied natin. Itong first testing, then okay na. Pero sa susunod na araw, ikutan natin kung ano yung yes ma'am. Pag okay itong result na gagawin kong test, reading ma'am, then maybe I will recommend it to our department head, and our department will recommend to the mayor na maybe they will first yun lahat ng mga government